In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Zelle to Bitcoin. Since Zelle doesn't let you buy crypto directly, the trick is to use a peer-to-peer marketplace that accepts Zelle as a payment method. I'll walk you through the process using a platform like Paxful so you can move from Zelle to Bitcoin confidently and safely. Start by opening a cryptocurrency marketplace. You can install the Paxful app from your device's app store or head to the official website in your browser. Make sure you're using the legitimate app or site and that your internet connection is stable. Having your Zelle account ready on your phone will also make this much smoother. Next, create your account or sign in. If you're new to Paxful, follow the prompts to sign up. You may be asked to complete identity verification, which helps keep trades secure and builds trust with sellers. Have your documents ready if required and complete any prompts you see so you don't get delayed later in the process. Once you're in, start a Bitcoin purchase. Tap buy, then choose Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. This tells the platform exactly what you're shopping for. If you're just getting started, consider planning a modest amount for your first trade to get comfortable with the flow. Now choose your payment method. Under Pay With, search for and select Zelle. Enter the amount you want to spend in your local currency. The marketplace will use that to find matching offers from sellers who accept Zelle and can trade at that price range. Tap Find Offers to see the available sellers. Take a moment to review each seller's reputation, trade history, price, and limits. Look for a strong completion rate and positive feedback. Read the offer terms carefully so you know what the seller expects, such as any notes or timing requirements. A competitive price is important, but reliability and clear instructions are just as crucial. When you're ready, open an offer and follow the seller's instructions closely. Send the payment through Zelle exactly as agreed within the trade time window. Keep all communication inside the platform's chat and avoid sharing any sensitive personal details. Once you've sent the Zelle payment, return to the trade and confirm that you've paid so the seller knows to check. After the seller confirms receipt, the Bitcoin is released to your Paxful wallet. You'll see the updated balance in your account and you've successfully converted funds sent via Zelle into Bitcoin. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Zelle tips and step-by-step crypto guides.